Where has the Donggongon cobbler gone? Wong Pak, who claims to be 94 and was originally from Johor. As a teenager, he went to Singapore and became an apprentice shoe cobbler. For many years he did his shoe repair business on the island republic until 1983, when he relocated to Sabah and operated his shop around Penampang Baru, selling his brand of handmade real leather shoes and sandals, while also entertaining customers who needed to repair their worn-out shoes. Just before the April 1, 2022 reopening of all business sectors in Malaysia after the 2-year pandemic lockdown scourge, he opened his modest shoe repair shop at Lot 1, Block K, Donggongon. The popular 4D outlet is also located in the same block. At his age, he still feels strong and energetic, retaining his sharp visions and firm hand grip to carry on his trade. However, he does have a serious hearing problem. His advice to stay healthy: eat healthily, exercise regularly, and sleep well. At 94, he still rides his motorbike to get to work and to return home. However, as I passed yesterday, June 23, 2024, he was no more in the shop, and the shop lot had been taken by somebody else doing a different type of business. Wondering what had happened to Mr. Wong and his shoe repairing business in Donggongon.